Who is ready for some homemade pepper sauce? Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Fitzroy. I'm the owner of Irie Vybez here. Today, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite things. I like to put on my food. I love food, especially Caribbean style food. So I use a lot of pepper sauce. Anybody in the islands, they always have a little thing of pepper sauce they done made. Today, I want to share you one of my favorite little recipes that I make. I make my own pepper sauce, and that's what I want to share with you today. This pepper sauce is really easy to make. You see, I have some cilantro. I've got some garlic. I have one really nice ripe mango. I got vinegar, salt, curry powder, and of course, the habanero peppers. Two other ingredients I forgot to mention is you're gonna need some olive oil, and you also want to have some concentrated lemon juice. If you have lemons, that's even better. The fresher, the better, of course. Right now, I'm just going to give these a quick chop, and then I'm going to start to put them all in the blender. Again, I'm just going to chop up cilantro, break down the garlic. I'm going to cut this mango up into small pieces. I'm taking a really ripe one, so that way I don't have to use sugar. Another thing you're going to need, again, is the salt, which I did mention before, sorry. I'll give this a chop, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I have now chopped up all the mango, the pepper, cilantro, and the garlic, and have it all here in the blender. What I'm going to do now is just take about 2 tablespoons of salt, put that in there for flavor, for taste. I am going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar in here just to help, loosen it up a bit. The same thing again with the lemon juice. Lemon juice just helps to put a little bit of acidity in there, give it a nice little flavor as well. All right, and we will, move along with that. I am also going to take about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I like it. It just gives it an extra little flavor, extra little kick in here. It also helps to give a nice little color to the pepper sauce. All right. And again, we can always, let's blend this down first and let's see where it comes out. All right, I'll let this go until it's pretty much liquefied to a thickness that I like it. And again, you can do this your way. If you like it chunky, you just stop a little bit early when you see it still have a little bit of flakes or chunks in there. You can see little bigger specks of cilantro in there along with the pepper. All right, so let's give this a little try. Alrighty. Woo. Only thing missing on that is the doubles. Trini people know what I'm talking about. Oh man, I think it's good though. Very flavorful, very flavorful. And again, you see how easy it was to make. Only thing I forgot to mention probably is in there you probably need a little bit of olive oil just to help give it a little bit more body. But yeah, everything else, you follow that and you have a nice little mango pepper sauce. You can change out the fruit. You can make other things. That's just the base. This is just the base. You can use that any kind of fruit you want with it. If you try it, leave me a comment in the box. Let me know if it's something you like, if it's something you ever tried before, if you ever had this already before. And again, also give me a subscription. Sorry. If you like the page, I'm going to try to do a little bit more cooking, probably. A lot more in reggae. My thing is anything that brings a smile or positive vibe to people is what I'm really going for with this page. All right. Thanks again for watching, and let me know how you look. How you like the pepper sauce. Thank you.